house, I thought this is definitely the one. I had just no idea what kind of problems this house was going to give us.
When we moved into this house, we had a totally different life.
I now have 3 children instead of 1 baby.
It's got some functional limitations, perhaps. I think they're all fixable.
What Tyler doesn't realize is that I am here seeing it every single day.
Overall, I see this house as an easy fix. Together, we can do this.
This is, the entryway is tiny.
Can you help, Larry?
The laundry room just does not work being in the garage. The kids are always downstairs in our bathroom.
We fix up that upstairs bathroom, and then the kids aren't stampeding down the stairs, charging into ours.
I think they'd
right?
love to have their own new bath in another house.
What are you talking about? The real focus should be on making this a great design, making it functional space. If we can do that, we're all set.
There's no way we're staying in this house.
We're staying, we're fixing this place up, and we're gonna love it.
Making their way to the house are designer Hilary and Realtor David, both convinced they can bring an end to this ongoing conflict.
After you.
Whoa!
You kind of just hits you in the face, doesn't it? Bathroom number 1.
It's in perfectly good space, just needs to be updated.
You mean gutted?
I'll just stick with updating.
All right, so we have been through your house.
And it's gorgeous.
But clearly, it's a house that you guys have outgrown. You need more bedrooms, you need more bathrooms. That's what I see. You tell me what you think you need.
5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, including a master bath, a large open kitchen, a roomy entranceway, laundry on the main floor, an office area, and a screened-in porch, as well as some rec space for the kids. We want to do all of that in this same neighborhood.
That's a hefty list. I've done an evaluation on your house, and current value is $380,000.
380?
Yes. What's the budget for the 5-bedroom house?
So the budget is 450 to 500,000.
It's not going to be easy if you want to stay in this neighborhood.
The fact is this house works. Now, what is your exact list? And then I can figure it out.
We must open up the foyer, expand the kitchen, create a master bath, renovate the main floor bathroom, an additional bedroom. We need to renovate the second floor bathroom, organize the multipurpose room, relocate the laundry, and add on a screened-in porch.
Oh, well, you know, you don't need a screened-in porch. What do you mean absolutely?
Absolutely need a screened-in porch.
What's my budget?
$100,000.
I don't know that every single thing on that list is truly essential. I mean, we have to keep the integrity and the prettiness of the house, and we have to make it function. And that's what I plan to do.
Function.
And when I'm done, you're gonna love it.
No.
He's gonna love it.
No. You need a 5-bedroom house, which is what you asked me for. And when I find it, the only thing you're gonna say about your current house is listed.
David is already searching the surrounding area for the headache-free house that can cut Tyler's ties to home. Meanwhile, Hilary and contractor Eric have arrived with a $100,000 renovation to tackle Kim's mountain of must-haves head-on.
So the first thing that has to happen is these pillars have to come down. And then I want to push through into the playroom area. All right, so we absolutely have to have a screened-in porch.
I take back, no big deal.
So that means building an exterior structure, bringing the roof over, all the things. So this is where I want that laundry in the basement relocated. Now, this wall is going to become hallway through to master bedroom. In here, that wall just shy of the window, that's going to become the new powder room. But from this point, with this window, this is the new master ensuite. And now they're into their master.
Meanwhile, David knows it'll take checking off every box on this lengthy list to move.
Okay.
While it might be outside their neighborhood, at 3,000 square feet, this house has more than enough family space, with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath. Upping the function immeasurably are a large eat-in kitchen and separate living, dining, and family rooms. Improving on the house further are a main floor laundry, an office, a bonus room, and not 1, but 2 screened-in porches, something David is hoping is worth leaving their area behind for.
Okay, come on in.
It is big and wide open.
Exactly. It's nice and open. You don't walk into a set of stairs.
The columns are just a little much for me. The whole vibe and aesthetic of the place looks a little ornate for my taste.
Minus the columns,
Minus the columns.
we're probably good. Into the kitchen. This is a kitchen that's gonna work for a family of 5.
This is huge, a huge improvement from our kitchen.
The laundry room.
I'm sorry. Laundry's not a huge selling point for me.
Do you like going down into the basement to do it?
No, it's a hassle.
End of story. Let's move on. It shouldn't have been that difficult. A space for your kids to hang out. Ooh, look at this.
Great.
It's almost too nice to give to the kids in a way.
No, I think great.
Of the master bedroom.
Oh.
It's spacious, it's bright. Huh?
It's a nice looking master bedroom area.
And the master bedroom ensuite.
This is nice.
I'm just
but,
impressed at how much he's liking this.
A screened-in porch off your master bedroom.
Wow. So you could just live here.
What do you think this house is listed at?
600,000?
What do you think?
572.
This house is listed at 525,000.
Oh.
Lot for your money out here.
And that's why we are here today.
It's like a little over the top. It's so big.
But you did like it.
Where are we going to now? Closer to the neighborhood, where the houses are gonna get smaller.
We haven't seen what Hilary's gonna do yet. I still think she can create a lot of the functional benefits that David showed us here.
Kim and Tyler head home to face the realities of what their budget will buy them.
I need to make sure we're on the same page. I've got $100,000 from you guys, which is awesome. But I also have a list that's turning out to be really expensive.
I can't really imagine putting in more.
No more money. Absolutely not.
Okay, so then what do you want to cut?
Nothing.
What about your bedroom and the ensuite?
Oh, goodness, we need that.
How about the porch?
I think I would live on the porch.
The porch is what's gonna transform our life. It's gonna make it an outdoor, indoor
You know what? It's fine. I get it. But I've got to take something substantial. Next big thing on the list is a kitchen.
Of all the things on the list, it does feel like the kitchen is the one thing that you could probably live with. I mean, if we have to make a trade-off, I think that's the spot to do it.
I agree.
We'll just pull everyone out to the porch. That's the point of the porch,
Well, the
right?
porch.
That'll be the hangout.
Kitchen
You
is
agree
off.
the kitchen is off?
I agree the kitchen is off and everything else is on.
Well, we knew we weren't gonna get everything for $100,000.
That's a lot of money.
I mean, it's a lot of money, but we have a lot of things on that list.
This is the problem with the house, though, is that I don't think we're ever going to get everything that I need.
Several neighborhoods away, David thinks he's finally found the perfect mix of everything it would take to make Tyler move. At 3,200 square feet, this house is absolutely move-in ready and features 3 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, including a master bath. Providing the family-sized function are an open-concept kitchen and family room combination, main floor laundry, a bonus room, and a fully finished walkout basement, all on a spacious lot, backing onto green space.
All right. Whoa.
Whoa, is right.
It's all right. It's not a bad start. I could see Hilary coming up with something just as nice.
30-foot ceilings?
I'm a man of faith. She'll come up with something.
Look at this place.
Ooh,
Huh?
this looks great.
This is where everything
It's
happens.
gorgeous.
Yeah, the kitchen does look great.
You've got a family room area with a fireplace.
And it feels modern.
Well done,
Yes,
David. All right, I'll
yes.
give you some points for
All
this.
right.
Front hallway, I was like, there you're
yeah.
coming back. Yeah, this is
It's a different world. It's a different world back here.
We pass through your eat-in kitchen into the mudroom slash laundry.
Great.
You've
Yep.
got storage, you've got your powder room, access to the backyard, and access to your 2-car garage.
Thank you.
After
All right.
Whoa.
you.
Yeah.
How amazing is this? You know, it's not screened in, but you do have 2 windows that open up so you can get a cross breeze going. And your 4-piece ensuite.
It's great.
It's not wowing you, is it?
It's fine. It's a little tight.
Look at this house overall, and I think you're gonna be getting a lot more than what you're getting home.
All right.
So this beautiful bathroom is what your kids are going to share.
I mean, this is a great space.
What do you think this house is listed at?
I would
Finished
say
space.
600,000.
What do you think?
I'm gonna say 610.
This house is listed at 539,000.
Really?
Wow. It was a nice house. I was surprised.
The moment I previewed that house, I knew it would be perfect for this family.
Trade-off is
spaces.
gonna be location, though.
There is a slight location factor, but it is ever so slight.
With visions of that house hanging heavy overhead, Kim and Tyler arrive at home, anxious to see their own house now that Hilary's extensive renovations are finally complete.
Whoa.
I love
that was
the
great.
yellow. Fantastic.
And that's on the outside. Wait till you see it on the inside.
Can't wait.
I know.
Ready?
Here we go. Into your new entryway.
Whoa.
It truly is
Oh my gosh.
an entryway.
There's no bottleneck
Yeah.
anymore.
We're adding on not that much space, but it makes a dramatic difference.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is no longer the catch-all room.
Yeah.
It is still going to do double duty. Family, music room.
Yeah.
But also guest room. This is a pull-out sofa.
It feels really good.
Good.
Whoa, all right.
Oh. This is a great bathroom.
Full shower
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the light coming in from the window.
there. Yeah. So now you have an amazing bathroom. Your wonderful hallway is not just a hallway.
We're in business, huh?
This is a total game changer. Your new master.
Wow, this is crazy.
Well, you have enough room to have a beautiful bed, bedside tables, everything you need. Your
Yes.
closets are really good size.
Absolutely are.
All right.
Your private master bathroom.
Again, spacious and beautiful.
Yeah.
You now have a really functional main floor.
Wow, this looks great.
This is where you and the kids can hang out. It's perfect.
It really is. It feels so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So take all
Okay.
this in, and David will join you, and then I'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you, Helen.
You guys have a decision to make. But before you make that decision, I have one more listing to show you. And it's yours. That is
Okay.
now the current value.
That's a nice
Wow.
value.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $380,000. With a renovation budget of $100,000, the new estimated value of their home is $495,000. That increases the value of their house by $115,000.
This is beautiful. There are a lot of things going on in my head.
Yeah.
How'd the kitchen situation go?
You know perfectly well, I have no issues with the fact that I didn't do their kitchen.
The kitchen's pretty tiny in here.
I don't know. There's a lot of pros and cons in each direction. I'm kind of torn.
Oh, absolutely.
So, decision made?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We're going to love it.
Yes!
Really?
This.
Screened-in
The
porch?
screened-in porch,
It is
David.
pretty great, I gotta admit.
Yes.
You know, we don't have quite as much space,
Right.
but we are making much better use of the space we have now.
Yes.
I'm so glad.
Yay.